Hi there, this is Marcy and David Lynn. A little over a year ago, we bought a 2015 diesel Ford Transit cargo van, which we named Blue. In between road trips, we've slowly been upfitting him into a camper. Somewhere in our travels, we broke the hinge on the fuel filler door. In this video, David documents how he replaced the broken assembly.
In reading the various Ford Transit forums, a broken fuel fill door seems to be quite a common problem. The door has a tab in the edge which helps to open it. Unfortunately, this tab is prone to getting caught in my pants as I get out of the van, especially in a tight parking space when I can't open the driver's door all the way. Once I snag my pants in the tab, it's quite easy to break the hinge. As you can see, the hinge is broken on the fuel fill door here and won't close securely. The replacement part is the entire hinge assembly. I found this one at an online parts warehouse and it cost just about $100. The first step is to remove the trim pieces. The top trim piece is held in place with a hidden tab. I used a screwdriver to depress the tab, and then the trim piece can be slid off. The gray panel is held in place with two tabs. I use pliers to release the tabs, then work the trim piece off. To remove the old hinge assembly, I'll first remove 3 Torx head screws. These require a T25 Torx bit. There are 3 more screws that are removed with either a 7/32 inch or 5mm socket. There's one more trim piece at the bottom that has to be pried loose to remove the hinge assembly. Unfortunately, my camera battery died and I didn't notice I wasn't recording until I had replaced the entire hinge assembly, so I'll try to describe what I did. I used a screwdriver to pry the top of the trim piece away from the body. I didn't have to remove it entirely. The hinge assembly lifted out and was replaced with a new one. Then the bottom trim piece was snapped back into place. Once the new hinge assembly is in place, tighten it down with the 6 screws and replace the cap for the DEF fill spout. Then snap the gray trim piece back in place. And finally, slide the top blue trim piece back on. And it's good as new.
We hope you enjoyed this video. You can find more how-to and travel videos on our blog site at www.untitled justtalittlefurther.com.